Their voice was tense. "Sir, our internet keeps dropping. Zoom meetings freeze. VPN disconnects. Cloud backups fail. Our team is frustrated. Clients are complaining." They were using normal broadband. On paper, it said 200 megabits per second. But here's the truth. Broadband is shared. During peak hours, your speed drops. Upload speed becomes unstable. Latency increases. For a business, it's dangerous. Every minute of downtime means lost productivity, delayed deliveries, payment issues, and poor customer experience. I visited their office. They were running Microsoft 365, VPN, cloud servers, CCTV, SIP calling, and an ERP system, all on shared internet. That's when I suggested Tata Internet Leased line. Dedicated one-to-one bandwidth. If you take 100 megabits per second, you get 100 megabits per second. Same upload and download speed. Enterprise SLA support. Within weeks, installation was done. No more speed fluctuation, meeting drops, or server timeout issues. Their team productivity improved. Internet is not an expense. For a business, it is infrastructure. Never compromise it.